Welcome to the individual Sprint 6 video for user story ENTP 104 Favorite Accelerators by EmmanuelHenley. I'm a master's student and developer on Team Startup FIU Entrepreneurs. The product owner for our team is Mr. Bob Hacker, and our project mentor and instructor for this course is Dr. Masood Sajadi. Here we're in Confluence looking at the user story document for user story ENTP 104 Favorite Accelerators. The description for this user story is, as an entrepreneur, I would like to be able to favorite accelerators so that I can have them saved for later retrieval. The acceptance criteria for this user story is as follows. Open accelerator should have a clickable star next to the name. Saved accelerator should show in the left favorites column when the user has clicked the star. Should provide the user a deletion option when the user clicks a link in their favorites list. Should confirm deletion before deleting the user's selected accelerator. Next, we're going to go into the use case for this user story. The actor for this use case is a startup FIU entrepreneur, and the preconditions are the entrepreneur has logged in to the startup FIU website and has selected accelerators from the entrepreneur dashboard. From there, the user clicks on the star next to the accelerator and the system responds as follows. The view contacts the controller and runs the favorite accelerators method. The controller then contacts the service and runs the save accelerators method. The service posts the accelerator, storing it to the database. A success response is sent back to the service, which is then propagated to the controller via the service, and then the controller accelerator.push method is called, and then the view is able to reflect the changes to the user. Now the user can click the remove accelerator button, and this is the system response after doing that. The view contacts the controller and runs the delete accelerator by passing it an accelerator object. The controller then contacts the service and runs delete accelerators with the object. The service then deletes the accelerator, removing the accelerator from the database using the passed ID. A success response is sent back to the service. The success response is propagated to the controller via the service, and the controller calls get data. The service calls get accelerators. The get request is sent to the database, and the database responds with the objects. The service sends success and the objects to the controller, and the controller formats the data and then sends this data to the view. Okay, now we have the use case diagram. The entrepreneur is able to click an associated star to save the accelerator, as well as delete the selected favorited accelerator. Here's the sequence diagram, which visually depicts the flow of events, which was previously discussed. And lastly, we have the class diagram. Like with all user stories, unit test and integration test were both ran on this user story, and all of the tests that were performed did pass. And here's the user visual guide in the user document. And now let's take a moment to look at the demo. Okay, here we are in the Entrepreneur Accelerators page. You can see you have a favorites list, which has only one item in it now. We can click on a star to add another item to this favorites list. As you can see, the name of the accelerator is now populated into the favorites list. We can actually click on this accelerator to view more information about it. We can also click to apply by clicking this link, or we can go to the accelerator's website. We can also remove the favorites from the list by clicking remove from favorites. It's going to ask you to confirm deletion. Once you confirm your deletion, you should see it removed from your favorites list. And as you can see, that accelerator that we just added, Hyper-Accelerator January 2019, is no longer in the favorites list. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For any questions regarding this video, feel free to contact me, EmmanuelHenley, at ehenl001@fiu.edu. If you have any questions regarding the project, you can contact the project mentor, Dr. Masood Sajadi, at sadjadi at cs.fiu.edu. Thank you again.